MY M5765. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my future employer. I'm Yoli Corpus. I'm 45 years old. I live in Dinamis, Siligurao City. I'm married. I have three children, ages 18, 16, and 13. I am a Roman Catholic.
Okay, and your highest educational attainment.
I finished my two-year course in Credo Dominic College as computer science and technology.
Okay, you are a graduate for a vocational course which
Yes,
is computer science and technology.
yes.
Okay, so since I saw that you have experience from a different country which is Kuwait and Turkey, tell me about your experience in Kuwait as a helper.
My experience, my duties and responsibilities is to taking care of the baby, and also I do household work like cleaning, ironing, and washing.
Okay, and how about Turkey? What is your experience?
My experience in Turkey is to take care that 4 years old and 9 years old girl.
Nine or six?
I'm six,
Okay, 6 years old.
6 years old, and I
Okay.
do cleaning also, ironing and washing.
Okay. And you're also taking care of pets, right?
Yes,
What kind of pets?
cat. Ay, turkey. One.
Take dog,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, you are taking care of dog. So you have an experience taking care of also 2 years old, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn. My question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
I will wash my hand first, wash the bottle, and sterilize. I will put warm water and put milk and shake it, and I will test the temperature and I will give to the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature. I will check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't start to cry after you check the temperature and also feed the baby, maybe the baby is hungry and also you change the diaper.
I
Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call the parents and I will ask what should I do
Okay.
because the baby is not stop crying.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes,
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because it's the high salary and the safest country, and I will help my family and to finish the study of my children.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years I will finish, and as long as they need me, I will
So it's
work.
okay to extend your contract,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No,
But
but
it,
I'm willing to learn.
okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will watch YouTube, buy books, cooking books,
Okay.
reading books.
You can buy also cooking books so
Yeah.
that you could learn how to prepare Chinese food. And also, if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they
Yes.
prepare so that you could learn, right? Okay. Um, it is okay to you to share job to the helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in holiday setup by your
Yes,
employer.
sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
If there is any instances that one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn
Yes.
Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
My message to my employer, please hire me, ma'am, because I am honest, hardworking, and trustworthy, and I will finish my 2-year contract, and as long as you need me, I will work with you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Bioli. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
You're welcome.